Start your day with intention. Wake up between 5 o'clock and 6 a.m. and immediately drink a full glass of water to rehydrate your body. Step outside for a few minutes of morning sunlight to wake up your mind and reset your rhythm. Fuel up with a high-protein breakfast to ignite your energy. Then take 5 to 10 minutes to meditate, clear your head, slow your breath, and set the tone for the day. If you have time, squeeze in a quick workout to get your blood flowing. Enjoy a cup of caffeine if that's your thing, and dive straight into deep, focused work while your mind is sharp. Later, read a few pages of a book to stimulate your thinking, and enjoy a protein-rich, low-carb lunch to stay energized without crashing. In the afternoon, step outside again for fresh air and sunlight. Take time to connect with friends or family. Strong relationships fuel a strong life. Then tap into your creative side. Paint, write, play music, or build something that excites you. For dinner, choose a meal packed with protein and healthy carbs to refuel without overloading. About an hour before bed, take magnesium to help your body relax. Put the screens away, reduce blue light, and slow things down. Reflect on your day. Acknowledge the wins. Set clear goals for tomorrow. Practice a few minutes of deep breathing, and then head to bed between 9 o'clock and 10 p.m. Follow this simple but powerful routine, and over time, it won't just change your days, it will transform your life.